All right, so let's see. Coming up here to the top of the hour, about 9 a.m., 9:03, just past 9. So at the moment, right now, I don't see personally anything that I like. We're kind of in a little bit of a rut this week. This is kind of the thing where we get the one day is hot and then the next day is cold. One day is hot, next day is cold. So we had SPGC, we had VFS. Those were big moves. That was on Tuesday, I think it was. So we got some good opportunities there, and then it kind of slowed down again. So it seems like we're having a little bit of a hard time finding real consistency, which it's just the way it is right now. It is August. It's worth keeping in mind. It's summer. The market's been kind of crazy this year. This isn't the time to set any big crazy expectations. I think this is a time where, you just want to try to chip away at those base hits. Don't overstay your welcome, and try to, um, you know, get yourself prepared for when the market does heat up. So I saw it, it popped up, came back down. I don't really think right now there's anything to trade on that one. It's again coming up against descending resistance. The daily shows that it's made big moves in the past, so that's something that you can kind of get a little excited about. Oh, it's got a history of making big moves. But this morning it goes from 450 to 550, and then it comes right back down to like 475. So it didn't hold up very well, unfortunately. So, it's to me right now, I just don't see much there. So, and by the way, for some reason, well, I'm in my traveling trading station again today. Internet, yesterday I'm in the same spot. Yesterday the internet was great. Today it's not as good. This is similar to the market. My Starlink is inconsistent. One day it'll be good, the next day it's not good. One day it's good, next day it's not good. So that is sort of annoying. But I don't know why. I really don't understand that exactly. It's a satellite internet though, so I guess that's kind of the problem. But in any case, hopefully you can hear me all right at the least. Uh, let's see. Right now we've got about 24 minutes to the open. I'm going to check something over here. All right. So, anyways, tomorrow I'll be back in my office to finish off the week. But yesterday on the traveling trading station, yesterday there was no action. there was nothing moving. It was extremely slow. Not a very exciting day. Today, right now, looks more or less the same. I don't see anything that looks that great. AHI, not interested in it. DTSS, no interest. MODD, it's too cheap. PRZO, this one popped up. I liked it, but it reversed off of 160. There were a lot of sellers between 150 and 160, and it could not pull through there. There was a lot of volume, but there was just a lot of sellers. So that's PRZO, SHPH. This one, 7 million share float. It's cheap. HSCS, too cheap. PMN, too cheap. So again, it's like too cheap, doesn't look good. Just right now, I'm going to just sit tight and wait for something that really shows itself. Because right now, none of this is particularly interesting to me. So patience is important. No reason to, really no reason to trade any of these on the gap scan right now. They just don't show the potential to me. So I think this morning I'm just going to stream for Warrior Pro members. I'm not going to stream on YouTube because my connection's not strong enough to do both. So I'm going to drop the YouTube feed. I'm going to keep streaming for Warrior Pro members, and we'll see if we can find some trades this morning. It only takes one. So we're just going to look for one to pop up, show strength, and get in, get green, lock up the profit, and then enjoy the rest of the day. So thank you guys for tuning in briefly on YouTube. I'm just going to cut the morning show short here and consolidate my bandwidth for Warrior Pro members. All right, good luck. Stay green, and I'll see you guys on YouTube tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll be back in my office.